Live and direct money stereo installations. Hey, we got one. My partner from the Kings of Cali said, "Hey Rob, I need the 6-pack. The 6-pack is speaker here, speaker here, speaker here. Highway setups only." Me and him was talking about it. Now that we older, some people have gotten older. They into touring now, so therefore they want their bag space back. So I said, okay, we got something for that. And so like I said, this is the first one. So I'm going to document this so you can see what I see. And there's plenty of videos out there showing you how to take apart these bikes. Ta-da. And I'm going to show you how this goes. So, you know, it ain't hard to tell. It's pretty much a lot like the older bike. I can see it right now. Screw here, screw there. On the older bike, one was falsy, one was a real one. But we're gonna pop them free and we'll decide who is who. Then you got your ones across the front. And I've already consulted other people who have did these ahead of me. Like I said, this is my first one. So I'm not claiming to be the master of anything. But let me in the dough. Hey, I'm gonna make it happen. So stay tuned. They bought these lowers, which they have 8-inch woofers that can go in these, or 8-inch mid-ranges or whatever. But we're not gonna put 8s. We're gonna put 6.5s. He bought the adapter for that. So that's what we're gonna run in the lowers. Like I said, we're gonna be a 1-amp system, and I've seen the pictures of different amp racks and whatnot, and things you got to move around. So stay tuned. Let's get up in there and see what it do. Also, he got a tour pack over here. He said, "Hey Rob, we're not too concerned about turning on the speakers on that. Just put something in the holes, so therefore they're just not naked." And if I can, I'm going to re-engineer how I did it on my bike, and if I can make all these work, then that'll be a plus. This is all he got from China with a tail light kit there. So we're going to look at that. No guarantees on that part, but we're going to look into it. Like I said, this is the first one. So, oh, I like that air cleaner. Yeah, this is the first one. So we're going to make it happen. Yeah, it's party. Let's see what that do. Okay. All right. Money stereo installation. Gotta go. Company name MSI. Money stereo installation. Gotta go. I see 2 grabs left. That's all you got action at is 2.
Super fresh all night long last night just to bring the freshest product.
I know. I saw y'all on Facebook this morning.
Awesome.
So, what you got going? That's all you got left?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say if that's it. That's you. We drove quite a distance just to get that one.
It's actually goes on.
Oh, display purposes. Okay.
Yes.
So you got that guy and that guy. Who you dealing with, Victoria? Crabs. Okay. The breakdown. All right, we busted down the front. Basically, it's like I thought it was. The bottom one here, and the hidden ones are right here, and here. But but you gotta pop this face off right here, around this trim around here, to allow you to get in there. Once you get that off and get over the fear of snapping it, Now it's time for the headlight removal, because we got to run our wire harness from the back to the front and up through here. It's got to jump up through here. So we got to gain access. So in order to gain access, need to get this light out. Pretty sick how they did that. They tinted that light. But yeah. So we're gonna pop the headlight out the way, gain access to that, and will be continued. As I was guessing, just like I thought it would be, that speaker pod is very shallow. And it's not like the old one, you can make it wider because you can't. It's going to hit right into the light if you even cut the back of it. So you're going to have to use a shallow speaker. I'll show you in a second what I mean. So, see what happens when you try and put a diamond in there? A diamond has a magnet of that big, which is not really a shallow speaker. So we're going to go with the Hertz, because we need a speaker that, you know, sounds good, fits in the places you want it to fit into, has a neo magnet, and will fit in the correct places. Over here I carry a wide variety of speakers to get where you want to get to, which we got some Polks, some Diamonds, we got some Hertz, got some Alpine. We even got some used stuff, but we're not on that rack. We're on, let's get it right, let's get it quality, let's get it in there. And so, oh, also, this is the antenna for the new bike, in case you didn't know. That's how you get that out of there. So what we're going to do from there is keep moving forward. Get this headlight out of here, so therefore we can get access to the rest of the wiring. Let's keep going.